Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today I am going to discuss the importance of soft skills in personal, professional, and entrepreneurial growth and growth in employment, taking a corner cabin as a Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Now, I have coined a word, gold funding scheme. Ask for it. So what is gold funding scheme, GFS? There should be a goal. Like my goal is to be Prime Minister of India. And then there should be a focus on that goal. Then only success comes. And what is ask? ASK. Ask, I have said, the attitude of a person. S is a soft skills and K is a knowledge, technical knowledge, like we chartered accountants may have a knowledge of auditing, accounting, GST. All this is technical knowledge. An engineer will have an engineering knowledge. A medical doctor will have a knowledge in that particular field. And A is an attitude. So attitude is a perception, is a, there are 6 mental faculties. The mind is a software and the brain is the hardware. In another one video, I have spoken about use of IQ, intelligence quotient, and EI, emotional intelligence. So we have 6 mental faculties called perception, memory, will, the strong will to do it, imagination, reasoning. That means we think about it, we understand, and intuition. So in the soft skills, so attitude is a perception, always we can have a positive attitude. And knowledge we have discussed. Now I discuss the soft skill, which is the major discussion in this video. Now I am discussing 13 soft skills. There are more than 100 soft skills, but I am discussing the important one. And TCS, we know that Tata Consultancy Services is one of the good company. So what is TCS? T is time management, very important, because God has given us 24 hours in a day, and each person, this product, time is given in equal quantity, and time is a product which cannot be purchased from the market, which cannot be taken on loan, which cannot be put in the refrigerator that today I have 5 hours more, I will utilize it tomorrow. So how every second can be converted into a productive time? I always say that the first need of any individual is health, then self-happiness, family, and then work. It creates a wonder. It creates like, person will be dancing every second. So time management is, we should be always in the second quadrant of planning, creative decision making. And this comes by practice. How to have, in one of the video I have talked about how to have 240 hours in a day. If I have 9 other Rajkumar who functions like me as my mastermind, then there will be 10 persons who are Rajkumar, and we will have 24 into 10, 240 hours in a day. The second is communication skill. And this is very important because when we communicate in a group, when we communicate to our client, when we communicate with the government officers, the regulators, the seniors, the juniors. So the communication has to be effective. The point of view should be reached. And third alphabet is S, self-confidence. Self-confidence, as the name itself suggests, ourselves, one has to bring the confidence. The winners are those who have a very high self-confidence, 100%. It is said success is one more attempt. So this is TCS. Now the second TCS is, this is the first TCS. Second TCS is T for teamwork, C for creativity, and S is for stress management. Now what is a teamwork? Teamwork is together everyone achieves more. So it is not a solo performance. Like in a train, all compartments have to go together. Then only the train will leave. Half of the compartment are left behind. Train will not be going ahead. So teamwork will happen when we explain to all team members, when we work as a mastermind. Second alphabet in second time when I am saying TCS, the fifth soft skill is creativity. In every work, we can do in a different manner, and creativity put a lot of enthusiasm when we are working. And then the S is a stress management. Now stress management, in stress management, always we say that there should be some stress which put us on our toes, enthusiasm. But extra stress, the kill the efficiency and productivity. So stress management happens by taking things as they come with a positive attitude, with an attitude that a good outcome will be there. And negative stress is that, we will not succeed, there will be a loss, this client will go away. Then it is a negative stress, which is very harmful. Then I have the acronym word LIP, LIP, TCS, LIP. So the seventh habit is a leadership, L for leadership. There is a story, suppose there is a chartered accountant who is a senior manager in the organization. And there is another colleague who is director of finance. And senior manager has more knowledge. If it is a listed company, the stock exchange laws, listing regulations, SEBI requirement, other laws. And director finance has to rely on senior manager every time. Then by designation, director finance is in a hierarchy. We call it a de jure. But in reality, de facto, senior manager is director finance. And director finance is a senior manager. Then I is a interpersonal skill. This is very, very important because people, the value of the people is more than any asset in the organization. So therefore, the IQ and EQ, which I have dealt in another subject, or the Stephen Covey 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, proactiveness, keeping end in mind, first thing first, win-win situation, first understanding the other side and then be understood, synergize, sharpen the saw. Because interpersonal skills, my own personal experiences, I never tell my team members that this error is done. I always say this is an excellent work. The person himself or herself tells me, this I could have done better. So then, we should leave our team members to use their creativity and do the work. So interpersonal skills is very important. The ninth soft skill is problem solving. See, God has created in this universe, if there are problems, there are solutions. There is no problem in this world without a solution. So if we have an attitude that we will solve the problem, then we get the answer. Then the next four skills which I want to discuss is GEPA, G-E-P-A. G is a growth mindset. Let there will be COVID, let other virus come in this world, let economy go down. If we have a growth mindset, if we are a member in practice, our practice will increase. If we are a member in employment, that enterprise will do more. If we are a member in self-business, business will do better. Everything happens twice. No, I this repeat n number of times. First in the mind and then in the reality. This video I'm making 2 times. First, I made this video in my mind. I did my homework, I did my imagination, I did my perception. Then the 10th, the GEPA, G-E-P-A, P is a positive attitude. And A is assertiveness, GEPA, growth mindset, E is empathy. You know, looking at the other person's, P is a positive mindset, and A is assertiveness. Like how without hurting another side, we can put forth our view, elaborate why the things should be done in a particular manner. So in our chartered accountancy syllabus, you know, we have a lot of things on technical knowledge. So technical knowledge are like 100 floors or 200 floors. Soft skill is like a foundations. It is the base on which any number of story, the building can be made, which can have any number of floors. So therefore, and these soft skills at any stage in our life, on any day, we can learn the soft skills. We can put in our habit. What is habit? Which we repetitively do without knowing. These are done by our subconscious mind. So James Clear has written a book, a super book. We can have a look at the YouTube video summary of the book called Atomic Habits. So habits will get changed, you know, when we do a reward for the habit. And there's a, like, you know, I want to attend say 5 webinars in a day. I can set the alarm in my iPhone or the smartphone. In my Google email, I can set my reminder email, and then I will have a reward, the extra technical knowledge or the networking. So my dear friends, my dear listeners, I would request you that we should keep on enhancing our soft skills more than our technical knowledge. Technical knowledge is also required. So then we will have a gold funding scheme by asking. So we will have a goal, we will have a focus, and with focus on goal, we will have success. And then with the positive attitude and technical knowledge and soft skills, we will fly in the sky. Please like my YouTube video if you have liked it, share it, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for spending your time with me. Do let me know the topic on which you want more videos.